Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Gnucash review. Gnucash is free, open source accounting software built for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses, and it still holds up strong in 2025. Let's break down its pros and cons. Starting with the positives, it's completely free to use with zero hidden fees, and because it's open source, you can customize it however you like. It's packed with professional accounting tools like double entry bookkeeping, budgeting, invoicing, and detailed financial reports. Plus, it works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and is backed by an active community offering guides and troubleshooting help. However, it's not without drawbacks. The interface looks a bit dated and can feel overwhelming for beginners. There's no dedicated customer service, only community support, and since it's primarily made for single users, it lacks collaboration features found in newer platforms. In short, GenoCache is a powerful, cost effective solution for those comfortable with a little DIY learning, but may feel limited for larger or fast growing teams. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.